How to become an AI entrepreneur? There are two main ways, okay, two main directions you can take. First direction is to become a tech entrepreneur. At the end, using, leveraging AI to provide software or custom solutions to the market, B2C or B2B. In this case, you have to be aware of the fact that you will need a lot of technical knowledge, a lot of technicians, specialists able to work on AI on a very high and complex level. I mean, and you will provide a solution in a market where that is very competitive on a from capital point of view. Why a capital point of view? Because obviously AI technologies, AI software, AI consulting services are really interesting for big players, players that have got a lot of capital, a lot of money, and they will invest there. So I mean, just a few of us can go that direction. Direction that the direction that millions of entrepreneurs can take is different. You should take a different road to reach your goals. Use AI in your current entrepreneur life, in your current company, in your current business. Why it is a better solution? First of all, because you really can leverage the power of AI, continue doing what you're doing, but doing it faster, with less cost, and with standardized results, minimum requirement results. From this point of view, it's very interesting the fact that now in this era, as entrepreneurs, we will need less and less capital to be effective because the more the world goes ahead, and the more being entrepreneur is not a matter of capital, it's not a matter of money, but it's a matter of knowledge. And AI is the same. If you want to enter this amazing this amazing opportunity as an entrepreneur, and the opportunity, as I told you, is to be able to do amazing things in no time and with zero cost at the end. What you will need is to know the basics of AI and how to use AI for your marketing, for your sales, for your strategy, for your content, for your social media, and then after maybe also AI for your products and services, for your customer service also. Yeah, that's true. You can use AI in all those different business functions, and you can decide if you want just uh, scale up mm, quantities. I mean, just suppose, for example, you are releasing 3 blog articles a month. With AI, you can release 30 blog articles a month. Just suppose you are launching one video a month, one new video a month, you will be able to launch 10 videos a month. Just suppose that in your company you don't have so many digital skilled guys. So that means that you don't have digital professionals in your company. You don't have an SEO specialist, an advertising specialist, an email marketing specialist, a funnel marketing specialist, and so on. But it's enough for you to have just one person with a general knowledge of AI, and help that person to leverage the power of AI for doing all of these different jobs with a very good result compared to, I can say, to the resources that you are dedicating to this AI process. So AI, I think, that is an amazing opportunity for entrepreneurs, but obviously will be an opportunity just for entrepreneurs who, how can I say, who will enter the tech environment where AI can be used. That means that you still need a digital skill set. So you have to know what is SEO, what is advertising, how it works, how a funnel works, how to build a funnel. Okay, but then you will be helped by AI in doing everything better than you would do alone, and to be much faster in producing every piece of content you want to produce. So, if you want to be competitive in the next few years and you want to realize your dream to become a digital entrepreneur, or you want to relaunch your company, restart your company, to start a new business unit, or to change radically the way you are doing business and change radically the results that you can get with your company, the economical results, AI, be aware of the fact that AI is the big opportunity in the next 2, 3 years. Now, if you need help in understanding how to use AI, in implementing AI solutions in your company, in upskilling yourself and your collaborators with AI knowledge, AI tools, AI best practices, AI solutions, you can help us to Digital Coach. We are not an agency. We don't run a business of an agency, digital agency. We empower you and your people to use digital marketing, digital sales, powered by AI at the end. That's the real game. So, ask for a free consultation, have a one-to-one with one of our digital consultants, and try to figure out all the ways you can improve your productivity, improve your results, and reduce your company cost through the leverage that you can do in your marketing, your sales, and your customer service, thanks to the AI new technologies. Bye bye. This is Luca Papa from Digital Coach, the digital and tech leader, international tech and leader in training and coaching for business owners. Bye bye, Luca Papa.